All right, gentlemen, I cannot recommend picking up a Coach purse for your wife or girlfriend enough. My wife went crazy whenever I gave this to her for her birthday. This is made out of real leather. It's so well made. My wife has had this for longer than 6 months now. She absolutely loves it, and it looks almost as brand new as the day that it came out of the package. It's made out of real leather. It is super, super thick and sturdy. None of the seams are even showing any signs of wear or tear. The bottom here is super, super strong and fortified. Um, it's an amazing purse, and my wife she can't stop talking about how much she loves it. So I definitely recommend picking one up for your significant other or your mom or grandma, whoever you think should look classy, should definitely have one of these purses. So 10 out of 10 recommend. Go pick one up.